Hello friends, myself Raj Upra. Today we are discuss on remaining topic of managing employee motivation and morale, like concept of work-life balance, its components, benefit of work-life balance, and managerial action. Let's start. First topic is work-life balance. Concept of work-life balance. First point, everyone faces the issue of time management at one point or another. But as more and more people deal with working at one or more jobs, managing household, attending school, or training and raising one or more children. In a whole world, every people are facing a problem of time management or having a time issue in personal and professional life. All the people are spending time at workplace, attending school and training session. Second one is work-life balance is meaningful daily achievement and enjoyment in each of four life quadrants. Work, family, friends and self are involved. Work-life balance is important for maintaining the four very effective parts of our life like work, family, friend and self. With the help of them, life will be having more enjoyment and achievement. Next is, it has been observed that to help the employee balancing work, many companies have facilitated work-life balance for their employees through work-life programs and training. In every organization, they are observing the situation of employees. If the time management is not structured, then organizations are giving facility about work-life program and training to their employees. Next is, there are two concepts very important to understand work-life balance. They are achievement and enjoyment. Because of employee are achieving the goal at the time and having more enjoyment on two things basis, we can say that they all are having proper work-life balance and better structure of work-life balance and time management. Next topic is achievement is anything valuable that one requires during life of span. It may be monetary or non-monetary. Achievement means you will get reward on behalf of hard work, use of skill, knowledge and power of decision making. Achievement will get in two form. It might be in financial and second one is a non-financial. Next is enjoyment is pride, satisfaction, happiness, celebration and a sense of well-being, all those joys of life. Enjoyment means feeling of happiness or pleasure. You will get enjoyment in pride of achievement, getting more satisfaction, celebration of activity, etc. Next topic is components of work-life balance. There are many components of work-life balance and all the components are affecting in our working life and family life. First one is a self-management. To manage ourselves is very difficult and challenging process for getting proper sleep, exercise and nutrition. Self-management is the recognition that effectively using the space in our lives is vital and that available resources, time and life are finite. Second component is time management. Time management is affecting factor in our life because with the help of it we can manage our personal and professional life very well and balancing the life, growing and developing ourselves. Third one is a stress management. The phase of increasing complexity, stress on the individual is inevitable. Most people, distraction and noise required each of us to become adept at maintaining tranquility and working ourselves out of pressure filled situation. Next component is change management. Change is required to our self development and growth. Do not work at each and every time at stable and stereotype situation. Change is essential and according to environment and situation manage it. Next is a technology management. Day by day, technology is changing, so we can arrange ourselves to manage and for the using of it, taking training session for updating technology, so we can running in the cutthroat competition and develop ourselves and achieving the goal. Last component of work-life balance is leisure management. Leisure means time off or a free time. Do not spend free time on a gossip. To using your valuable time in activities like reading book, working on habits, doing interesting activity, and develop yourself. Next topic is benefits achieved from work-life balance. Benefits available from individual perspective. In first, greater safety at work. With the help of work-life balance, employees are feel safe at workplace because no more burden of extra working load on a special or unspecific situation of organization. Second one is autonomy. Work-life balance is important part of employees' life because with the help of it, employees manage his own self and making his own standard, method, process and technique about the work and life. Next benefit is reduce stress. It is more effective because balancing work life is reducing the stress level of personal and professional life. Do not taking too much working load pressure, family, child, career, self and friends pressure regarding the time and much more things in it. Next is improve health. To give 30 minutes or 1 hour for our life to doing exercise in daily because employees are staying healthy and feel much more better than the past life. It will only happen when having a proper and better work-life balance. With the use of it, it can be reduce stress level, increasing skill and make body healthy. Next benefit is more rewards. With the help of work-life balance, employees are getting more rewards like maintaining the friend circle life, focuses on career development and growth option, also focuses on child training and development, make a better and strong family relationship, increase in the cooperation with other, decrease the pressure and making life enjoyment. Next benefits are available from organization perspective. First one is a reduce absenteeism and turnover. To reduce the absenteeism of employee and manage employees at place where there are more absent employee, it only can easily happen with the use of work-life balance in organization. Second benefit is better productivity and corporate image. Better balancing work-life of organization can increase productivity and creating a positive corporate image in the market through better arrangement and maintaining the balance between employee and the organization. Next benefit is increase employee loyalty. Because of organization is fully trust and loyalty about the employee and managing employees very well, they can provide all the facility which is required for employee to maintain it. Next is improve workplace climate. With the use of work-life balance in organization is providing the proper environment and place which are required and necessary for the employee, and also employees are working with cooperation and without making non-violence and conflicts. Next benefit is improve talent retention. To just find out the talented employee only with the use of work-life balance and make them more talented and reducing the obstacle which are comes in front of increased talent in employees. Next point is achieve better performance. Organization is achieve the goal with the making better performance through work-life balance because individual success is a success of whole organization success. So it's affecting factor for the organization performance. Next topic is managerial action. First point, Striking the perfect life balance between the career and family is always a challenge for the employee. It is always difficult and challenging for the whole people for maintaining and managing the career and family life. Do not combine with each other. If the employee will do it, then it creates many problems for the employees. Next point is modern employee demand greater control over their lives and bigger say in the structure of their job. Modern employees are required control over their lives because control is only happen when having a better life balance in the personal life and also in organization. Next point is balanced employees tend to feel more motivated and less stressed out of work, which thereby increase company productivity and reduce the number of conflicts among co-workers and management. Average or balanced employees are required motivation for reducing stress and achieving goal. So management is taking some steps for it and reducing the conflict between the management and co-worker. Next topic is following are the managerial action. Which kind of managerial or management action taking for a benefit of employee in organization? First topic or first point, access to exercise. One of the most positive way to reduce stress is exercise, and every able-bodied adult should be getting at least 30 minutes of it per day. Healthy employees are less at risk of getting sick and missing day from work. Second point is child care services. In many organizations, management give a service like children's health, family insurance, children's education, and many more things are included. So employees are not worried about their child and family and focuses only his goal and work. Next is company outing. Management give a holiday or doing some activity like birthday party, marriage anniversary, happy hour, holiday party, and etc. So employees are released a burden and pressure about their work and also maintain and taking care of family very well. Next is a team building exercise. To making a strong team building, management taking action for it and giving them motivation to increase productivity, proper environment to reduce conflict and increase in cooperation between each other and also trust. Next point is creating quiet space. Every employee has a bad day, one or the other time. So it's nice to have a space for employee to go to when they just need a step away for a moment. Management can create such a quiet office space when they need to. Next one is allowing schedule flexibility. Schedule flexibility is required because employees are having his own method, technique and standard. So they can work easily and can't take too much load about work and reducing stress. Next point is encouraging short break. To give a short breaks between a working schedule so employees are feel better and reducing the level of stress. Also increase the working efficiency during work period. Next is allow unpaid time off life event. When employees are need for holiday, for social or personal occasion, give them unpaid leave so employees are feel that better and its positive impact create on the mind of employee. On against employee creates more trust about the organization. Next is encourage vacation. In a year, management give a small vacation to their employee so employees are feel relaxed, spending more time with family, children and friends and also reducing the burden and stress about the work. Next point is consistency in structure maintenance. Structure maintenance is required but taking consistency is more necessary because of it. Employees are having a positive image about the organization and employees are feeling good to working with the other employees. Next point is offering community engagement opportunities. This is another way to connect the dots between work time and out of work time. This can be done by offering the community engagement activities. Last point, taking care of senior employees. There are many ways to taking care of senior employee like provide good health coverage, wellness benefit, preventive benefits, flexible hour, free telecommunication, etc. can be used as the way to help especially the senior employees. Thank you.